Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to calculate a percentage in Excel step by step. Click on an empty cell where you want your percentage result to appear. I'm going to use cell D2. The cell highlights with a border. Type your percentage formula. Start with an equals sign, then divide the part by the total. For example, if you're calculating 42 out of 50, type equals 42/50. Or if your numbers are in cells, use cell references, like equals C2/B2. You'll see the formula appear both in the cell and in the formula bar at the top of the screen. Don't multiply by 100 in the formula. Excel's percentage format handles that automatically. Press Enter on your keyboard, or Return if you're on Mac. The formula calculates and displays as a decimal, something like 0.84. That's correct. It just needs formatting. With the result cell still selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the number group, click the % style button, the one with the percentage symbol. The decimal converts to a percentage, 84%. If you need to adjust decimal places, use the increase decimal or decrease decimal buttons next to the % style button. Click increase decimal to show more places, or decrease decimal to remove them. If you need to calculate percentages for multiple rows, click on the cell with your formula. At the bottom right corner, you'll see a small square, the fill handle. Click and drag it down to the other rows. The formula copies automatically and calculates the percentage for each row. If you're dividing by a fixed total that shouldn't change when you copy the formula down, lock that cell with $signs. For example, change B5 to $B $5. On Windows, press F4 to add the $signs automatically. On Mac, use Command T. Here are two things to remember. First, even though Excel displays the number as a percentage, it stores the underlying value as a decimal. If you use that cell in another calculation, Excel uses the decimal value, so your math stays accurate. Second, you can also apply percentage formatting with a keyboard shortcut, Control-Shift% on Windows or Command-Shift% on Mac, instead of clicking the button. That's how you calculate percentages in Excel.